everyone, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Instagram without password. If you want to deactivate your Instagram account but don't know your password, Instagram generally requires you to be logged in or to verify your identity before allowing account deactivation. So to start, you can open the Instagram app or you can go to Instagram login help. So once you search that, so from the choices, you can select reset password. Then from here, so you can enter your username, your email address, or your phone number. Then click on continue. Then follow the instructions sent to your email or phone. So go to your email and check the code that Instagram sent you. So copy the code, then go back and enter the code in here and click on continue. Then you can create a new password. So once done, click on continue. Click on OK. If you want to save your login info, click Save Info or Not Now. So once you've regained access, log in and deactivate your account. So once you've regained access to Instagram account, so to deactivate your Instagram, click your profile, then click the three line in the top right, then go to Account Center, then go to Manage Accounts and select your account and click on Manage. Then select deactivation or deletion and select deactivate account and tap continue. Then scroll down and tap continue. Then enter your password. Click continue. Select a reason why you want to remove it or deactivate it. Then click continue. Click continue again. And click on deactivate account to confirm the action and your account will be deactivated. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.